Good morning. Today we're gonna install the other set of harness for Tatiana, which is currently sleeping right now. And these are the same exact ones that I put in the P10. And I don't know if we'll have time, but I would really love to turn her on, kind of drive her around the block for a little bit, you know, and disturb all my neighbors and hopefully not make everyone angry. Well, before I start, I forgot that I left all my tools in the P10. Oh man, bro. My coffee hasn't kicked in yet. Well, I guess now I'm gonna have to spend another hour going to where I have the P10 at, because obviously I can't keep it here because I only have 2 spots here, and the drift car and the daily stays here. So now I gotta go and get the tools. If I'm gonna do that, I might as well go pick up my K truck as well, so that I can go to the store just in case. Well, it feels good outside, at least in front of the sun it does. I'm gonna go back to some of these daily vlogs. And if you're wondering why I put a mask on, it's because around this time a lot of elderly people ride the train. As soon as I got on the cart that I was on, someone farted. Yep, you heard. Might be a little too much information, but whatever. So somebody farted. One of the elderly people farted, so it kind of smelled a little funky, so I had to throw the mask on because I could not take it any longer. Also, if you are enjoying this type of video where it's kind of like a daily vlog almost, if you enjoy it, please leave a comment down below telling me if you like it or not, and also leave a like. Let's go. Oh, and I haven't forgot. I hope you guys didn't forget, because I ain't gonna let you forget. Oh, I do have it. Yep, you seen it in the last video. Oh, I'm definitely putting this on. I don't care what you think. I don't care what you say. This is going on the drift car. And guess what? I'm gonna make it look damn good. And I'm a drifting style, baby. Oh, hey, beautiful. I missed you. There goes all my tools. But basically I'm gonna tie the straps to this side and that side over there. Eventually I am gonna remove like all the panels and everything and like strip it out. As you saw in the last video, seats are pretty expensive. And I do need one, but we need to also steering wheel, which I have my cover and I'm gonna be installing that. It's not really installing, I'm just kind of putting it in. But anyway. So I need to pull this back out. The main reason why I started doing all this all over again, because I want to get more camber out of the car, because under here this bolt is pushed up against this side and it's not allowing me to push the camber further in. So we're gonna fix that today. Guess what I picked up? A nice low max XL seat, and I'm happy. I told you guys that I was gonna pick up a seat, and it looks really good. It's in good condition, and besides, it's much needed anyways. So I'm probably gonna end this video here. It's gonna be like a 3-part video. It takes a lot of work to get this stuff going, so but I'm pretty happy about the seat and the progress that I am making on the car. Let's continue this tomorrow. See ya. Thanks for watching. who's with us today. Yeah, your first drift event, buddy. Well, I don't think it's actually his first. So, he's been to many events. Hey, good morning.
We made it.
Yeah, we made it.
Hey, buddy.
I guess. They work?
I interrupt this special broadcast with breaking news. Get it? Breaking news. Yeah, have a little noise in the engine. As I was getting ready to warm up the car, I probably got about maybe two laps in, started hearing a clack, 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 clack. It wasn't that aggressive, but it was something like that. It started to sound like a diesel motor. So I'm not sure what it is. So for now, I have the front plate off. Going to be tearing apart this plate in the front and inspecting the chain. If I don't see anything in there, then the next step is to take off the intake manifold and start looking down below and just inspecting some stuff little by little. Yeah, stuff happens, you know. It's still a new build and still under development, but hopefully it's an easy fix with some overnight parts from the USA. I should be good to go. Let's see. You know, I still have to tear some more stuff apart, but ran out of time. So for now, good night. But yeah, so that's why you didn't get to see any drift action. Well, keep you guys updated.